Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to open an HSBC bank account online in the UK. Whether you're an international student or someone just moving to the UK, opening a bank account is one of the first things you'll need to do. So let's go through the step-by-step process to get your HSBC account set up quickly and easily. This will take no more than 3 minutes. So now let's dive right in. So now step 1, choose the right account. HSBC offers different types of account, but for most people, especially international students, the HSBC Student Bank Account or HSBC Basic Bank Account are the most suitable options. These accounts come with no monthly fees, and you'll get access to features like contactless payments, online banking, and even an overdraft facility, which is for students. So now, for example, we will be selecting the student account, so click here. And then after that is step 2. Check eligibility requirements for that certain account. Since we are selecting a student account, we would need a proof of identity, so international students can use their passport and proof of student status, like an offer letter or enrollment certificate. And then the next thing is that you must be aged at least 18 years old, and then you must be a UK resident. You need to have a UK residential address, and then lastly would be the proof of address. This can be a recent utility bill or tenancy agreement. If you have all these documents ready, you are now good to go. And now you can now start the application online or in branch, depending on your choice. But in this tutorial, we'll be going online. So from here, we're just gonna go click here on how to apply since we are already in the student account page right here. Click on how to apply, then we'll be navigated here. Things to know before you apply. Make sure you understand all of this right here. And then from here, once you are sure that everything is good for you, click here on apply now. And then from here, you will now be asked to fill in your personal details, including full name, date of birth, nationality, and contact information. So as you can see right here, it says information, documents that you would need before you get started, and so on. And click on confirm and start once you have all of that ready. So yeah, this is where you will be filling up your full name, date of birth, nationality, and contact information. You'll also be required to input your UK address and details about your residency status. International students will need to enter their visa type and expire date. And then after that, you want to click here on continue, which is in the step 4, which is to verify your identity and documents. HSBC will ask you to upload documents to verify your identity and address. You can easily do this by scanning your passport and proof of address and or uploading clear images of these documents. Make sure they are recent and legible. And step 5, which is the last step. Once you have uploaded all of the required documents, review your application carefully to ensure everything is accurate. After that, hit submit and HSBC will process your application. Then after that would be step 5, complete the application. Once you have uploaded all the required documents, review your application carefully to ensure everything is accurate. After that, hit submit and HSBC will process your application. The verification process typically takes a few days. Once approved, you will receive an email or letter with instructions on how to activate your online banking account. They will also send your debit card and PIN via mail. And now finally, step number 6, activate your account. When your card arrives, activate it by logging in into your online banking portal or using HSBC mobile app. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your card and PIN and you're good to go. And that's it. You have now successfully opened your HSBC account online in the UK. With your account up and running, you can now manage your finances, transfer money, and make payments all from the comfort of your own home. That is basically it for this video.